social media? Do you know how to use it?
Media information literacy is a variety form of communication. It is almost significant to other cases and it is essential to this generation. Go.
Social media may be proven to be benefit to society and knowledge against false and imprecise information.
However, a quote by Donald Miller, "In the age of information, ignorance is a choice." That in mind, there are some definition and information on how to become a literate person. Media literacy is an extended concept visualization of the literacy which includes the ability to access, analyze media mainstream, translate, to create, reflect, and take action using the information and communication to make different. Information literacy is the ability to find and read used to communicate information in all various formats, most notably in a situation requiring a decision-making, problem-solving, or application of knowledge.
Technology literacy is the ability to use, manage, understand, and access technology.
Media refers to all forms of physical, printed paper publications such as newspapers, magazines, books, and journals.
Broadcast media. The term broadcast covers a wide spectrum of different communication methods such as television, radio, and any other materials supplied by the media and press.
New media is any media for newspaper, article, blogs, to music, and podcasts that are delivered digitally. Shape, track, and up to date with today's information.
Never-ending cycle of continuously being or advice.